I think Air Chief Marshal was absolutely right. At that time, some people raised questions ki what have you achieved? Basically, we had intelligence that a lot of terrorists were killed, number of terrorists were killed in Balakot also. But that was human intelligence. We didn't have the footage, we didn't have the recordings. I think this time the Indian Air Force, what Air Chief was mentioning, was very well prepared and careful this time. Everything has been recorded. Uh, he confirmed that at least 5 kills, 5 fighters have been eliminated, and one big one ABAX. I think he was also talking of Jacobabad airfield, where there was a hangar of F-16. Half of the hangar has gone. So a lot of F-16 have gone. So apart from that, command and control centers, Murid and the other command centers, Chaklala. And he also mentioned that S-400 was a game changer. He said, I think 5 to 6 radars have been eliminated. So it's a huge achievement for armed forces. We are proud of our armed forces, and we all knew. But my question is, why did we take 3 months to mention this? This should have been said on the very first day. So it's a great achievement. He also gave credit to the political leadership. The clear directions were there for the armed forces and what to achieve, how to achieve. Some people who are raising question, as Air Chief Marshal AP Singh said, that some of my friends were saying, "Sala aur marna tha. Why did you stop?" So he says we have to take a decision. Do we want to continue with the war for a longer period? So I think he was mentioning this, that ultimately, after having achieved our targets, our results, there was no point in continuing the war. So when a request from the Pakistan side came for a DGMO meeting, so that was accepted, and ultimately war was halted. Operation Sindoor was halted. It was a high-tech war. In fact, it was precision attack of the Indian Armed Forces, and particularly Air Force. How S-400 was used, how the precision attacks were executed on the airfields. 9 of their airfields were destroyed. So I think command and control centers were destroyed. Also, a lot of radar systems were destroyed. So it's a huge achievement. Within a matter of few hours, India brought Pakistan to its knees. I think it's a huge achievement for the Indian Armed Forces. And after having achieved this target, humiliating Pakistan, it was a humiliating defeat for Pakistan. I think it was a right decision to put a halt to the Operation Sindoor, which some of us were saying, why did we not continue? Yes, I think he is absolutely right. None of the Pakistani aircraft could come near our boundaries because of these systems, high-tech systems. So it was basically a high-tech war, and that is why India's air superiority and air edge has been established. The whole world has witnessed it, and I think I would again put it this way, that India has actually has rewritten the games of the war